In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress a PDF using ILovePDF, a simple and user-friendly online tool. Whether you're working on managing your digital documents or simply need to reduce the file size of a PDF for easier sharing, ILovePDF makes the process smooth and hassle-free. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ILovePDF website. You can easily find it by typing ILovePDF in your search bar or entering the URL directly. As you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice it offers a variety of tools for all your PDF needs. Today we're focusing on compression, so direct your attention to the Compress PDF option displayed prominently on the main page. Once you've located the Compress PDF feature, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the dedicated page where all the magic happens. The interface is straightforward with clear instructions on how to proceed with compressing your PDF file. Now look for the button labeled Select PDF File. By clicking on this, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer's folders and find the specific PDF file that you want to compress. Take a moment to locate your file, and once you have, select it to upload. For those who store documents on cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox, you'll typically find options to import your files directly from there, adding convenience to the whole process. With your PDF file successfully uploaded onto the platform, you'll see an option to click on Compress PDF. What happens next is an automated process where ILovePDF applies its algorithms to reduce the file size of your document while preserving its quality to the best possible degree. Depending on the size of your document and your internet connection, this might take several seconds to a few minutes. Once the compression process is complete, you'll see a download link to retrieve your newly compressed PDF file. Simply click on the download button to save it to your desired location on your computer. Before closing the web page, it can be beneficial to review the file size reduction to ensure it meets your expectations and requirements. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully compressed a PDF file using ILovePDF. This handy tool not only simplifies PDF compression, but also provides an efficient solution for managing large files. Remember, reducing PDF sizes can greatly facilitate sharing through emails, websites, or storage-saving purposes, making your digital workspace slightly more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore other features that ILovePDF offers for all your PDF tasks.